Overall available height for the system must be confirmed on site. Begin by installing the top-way manifold into the pre-installed recessed manifold cabinet. Distribution pipework using Gerpex multi-layer pipe and press fittings is connected to the top-way manifold. Once calibrated and chamfered, the multi-layer pipe can be connected to the isolation valves using a suitable press fitting. A permanent seal is achieved by pressing the fitting with a suitable pressing tool. The base layer must be clean and level. If the panels are to be fitted directly to the base surface, or if the system is to be used for cooling, a thin polyethylene sheet must be applied before installing the insulating panels. The polyethylene sheets must be overlapped. The self-adhesive edging strip is fitted to all perimeter and internal walls. Cuts are made at corners to ensure correct adhesion. The edge strip compensates for thermal expansion of the screed and offers structural, thermal and acoustic separation from the main structure. It is advisable to begin the installation from the furthermost corner by placing the female edge of the panel against the wall and proceeding lengthways along the wall, clipping each panel together using the male and female connection points. Once measured, the excess from the last panel can be removed using a suitable cutter. The offcut can be used to begin the next row of panels by aligning the locating lugs in a staggered pattern. This ensures a more secure insulating layer. Once the insulating panels are complete, the circuit layout will need to be confirmed and marked on the panels. Each circuit begins at the flow bar and is secured using bend supports. The connection is made at the manifold by using Emmeti patented monoblocco seals. The pipe is easily secured into the insulating panels with gentle foot pressure following the system design layout, ordinarily a spiral pattern. In this case, care is taken to ensure adequate spacing between the pipes to allow for the pipe to return to the manifold. "180-degree loops at the center of the spiral are achieved by using 5 of the bosses or a 25-centimeter loop. 90-degree bends should adhere to a minimum radius of 2 bosses. Use suitable clips where required if the pipe raises from the panel. Take note of the return length to confirm overall circuit length. Now the pipe can be connected to the return bar. Now anti-shrinkage electro-welded mesh sheets should be laid onto the panels and secured in place. Pressure testing is carried out by filling the system 1 circuit at a time and raising the pressure to 6 bar maintained until screeding is complete. Prior to installing the screed, all openings should be closed or covered to protect the screed from drafts, frost, rain, and direct sunlight. Qualified personnel must install the screed in accordance with manufacturer's instructions. Normally, the minimum screed covering for the pipes is 3 centimeters. The liquid screed generally self-levels with minimum effort from the installer. Expansion joints are achieved in accordance with the system design and installation requirements. Traditional sand and concrete screed is mixed with the special Emmeti screed additive, which improves the thermal conductivity and mechanical resistance of the screed. The mix should be distributed to avoid air gaps that will worsen during thermal exchange. The screed mix is leveled using a float and trowel. In this case, the floor material is terracotta tiles, which will be fitted directly to the finished screed. Expansion joints are achieved by installing the floor finish up to the edge strip, which will be cut and covered with a skirting finish. Balancing circuit flow rates can be achieved easily with the top-way flow meters. Complete opening of the flow lock shields is done through anti-clockwise rotation of the white collar and in turn the flow meter tube. The circuit is fully opened by unscrewing the blue caps. The flow rate, determined by the system design criteria, can be set by rotating the flow meter element clockwise to achieve the desired rate on the scale, liters per minute. When flow meters need to be cleaned or replaced, the lock shield element is isolated by turning the white collar clockwise fully. The clear plastic flow measurement tube can now be unscrewed from the black plastic body. Once cleaned, the plastic flow measurement tube can be refitted and the lock shield isolation can be reopened using the white collar. This feature is Emmeti patented and ensures that the predetermined flow rate setting can remain as previously set.